South Side in Finn. This landscaper has a lengthy criminal record.
Ben, I've learned that he's served 20 years in prison for killing a child he coerced into sex here in Duval County. This is after 5 separate times he was in prison for separate robberies and burglaries. There are 4 companies being sued in this particular lawsuit, accused of allowing someone with this kind of criminal record to work around families.
A monster, a murdering sexual deviant.
This is how attorney Adam Finkel describes Randy Foster. He's the landscaper charged with coercing a 12-year-old girl into sex multiple times inside her mother's apartment while she wasn't home.
It was preventable. My family is living with pain and trauma that no parent should ever imagine facing.
This is the 12-year-old's mother who read a prepared statement to us Tuesday afternoon. She asked not to share her identity for her family's safety. She hired Finkel to sue the companies they claim allowed Foster to work at her apartment complex and assault her daughter.
He preyed upon a child. He groomed and repeatedly sexually assaulted a 12-year-old girl.
Foster was arrested in 2024 and is facing 16 charges in this case. The arrest report says he had 58 sexually explicit pictures of the 12-year-old he had received while talking to the girl on TikTok. He was 58 years old at the time. Court records show he was convicted in 2002 for killing a teenage girl during sex and dragging her body to another house. He served 34 years in prison before working for the landscaping company hired by the Mirage on Kernan Apartments.
We cannot undo what has been done to my family, but we can decide what happened next.
The mother of the 12-year-old in this case filed her lawsuit back in December against these companies. They include DM Cohen Landscaping, where Foster worked, and the previous apartment owner, manager, and security team. The lawsuit claims all of the companies were negligent in allowing Foster to work in a community with children because of his record.
This could and should have been prevented.
Now, the Mirage on Kernan Apartments were bought by a different company last year, and the previous owner doesn't own any other apartment complexes here in Duval County. I reached out to all of the companies named in this lawsuit, but I'm still waiting to hear back in my response for an interview. For local coverage in Count on Finn Carlin, Action News Jax.